So you have the bed assist rail from Neda brands. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you everything that you receive and then a quick guide on how to get this assembled, but it's super, super easy to do. There's really only 3 steps to it. And what I like to do is just lay it out so I can visualize it. And all you're doing is just popping pins into place. So you're gonna have this thing assembled in really about maybe 5 minutes or less. And now when you put on the actual handle, this is gonna be where you have to actually put in some bolts, but you can just do that by hand, super simple. So you just line up our holes here and we can just screw these in. So no tools needed, just line up the holes and screw them in. Okay, now at this point we're gonna put in the handle. So this is gonna have different holes here. Each of them will be a different height. So at this point, I'd probably go measure your mattress. But if you don't, you have to switch. It's no big deal. As you can see, they just slide in. Take our little clips here and we'll push it in. Okay, and here's how you actually install it on the bed frame. So I always get people asking me how to do that. So if you do have a really heavy mattress, like a hybrid one that's maybe 12 to 14 inches, you can just slide this under there. You'd be good to go. You don't have to do this part. But if you do want to do it, make sure it's super secure, super easy. So we're just going to put the bed rail like that, and now there's going to be a belt here. And all we're going to do is just wrap this around our bed frame. And it's easier, I think, if you take the mattress off, but you don't have to do that. But just for visual, I'm showing you that. So we'll go like this, wrap it on here, and now at this point we just got to tighten this like you would a belt. Okay, so we got that tightened on there. Just grab our mattress here, we'll put it over the top, and this thing will be installed. Here's what the finished product looks like. So this is a 8-inch mattress. So it's a little skinnier mattress. This still works great. I mean, if you had a 10-inch mattress, you'd have this much, 12 here. And right now I have it at the second holes too. So this could be taller if you needed it. So this could work for any type of mattress height that you're gonna have. You'll be able to find one height that's gonna make it comfortable. But this is awesome if you or your loved one's having trouble getting in and out of bed. This is like a really, really simple way just to make that so much easier for you or your loved one. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.